Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Deja Joy bringing you another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, hey cousin. But first, before we get into the video, make sure you go ahead and check out my new clothing line. It's a Black Pride clothing line. You get your satin lined hoodies to protect your hair. Check that out. Link will be in the description box below, and let's get into the video. So let's get started. I get a lot of questions on how I moisturize my blow dried hair. Keep in mind, I don't moisturize as often because my hair is not as dry as it would be in its complete natural state. So let me go ahead and show y'all that. For my products, I'm using my leave-in conditioner, that's my baby, and my moisture butter, that's my other baby, y'all. These are my staple products. I'm using my hot water. This is not boiling hot water this time. It's just hot water from out the faucet. And this bottle sprays a lot of water, so I'm gonna go ahead and link this bottle in the description box for you guys. Like y'all, one spray and you get so much water on your hair, so you don't have to keep spraying your hair, because y'all know that carpal tunnel, arthritis, we ain't about that life. So I separate my hair into sections because you guys know it's just easier to do my hair in sections. But first, let me get my YouTube video going on so I can have something to watch and listen to while I'm doing my hair. I start by spraying the roots of my hair because I want my whole head to be moisturized, not just the shaft, but I want the roots all the way to the ends to be moisturized. So I start at the roots. I make sure to get it on my scalp because, you know, I want my scalp to be moisturized as well. I don't want it to be dry and flaky. So I spray my hair. I make sure to rub that water into my hair before moving on to my products. First, I apply my leave-in conditioner, and I do use a lot for each section. This ensures that I don't have to keep moisturizing my hair throughout the week or even after just a few days. Like, this method keeps my hair moisturized for a cool minute. And I make sure to thoroughly rub each product into my hair shaft because I do have low porosity hair again, and it is hard for me to get products into my hair without really taking the time to rub it into my hair. After I apply my moisture butter, I go through each twist, making sure that the product is rubbed into my hair from the roots to the tips. And I want to make sure each one of my hair strands get coated with product. Then I go ahead and Bantu knot that out the way to keep my hair stretched. Cause y'all know, if y'all have been following me for a while, y'all know my hair will shrink up to the hair follicles if I let it. And then I move on, repeating that same process. Usually if I need to quickly moisturize my hair, I just use the spritz bottle and leave-in conditioner. I strive to use hot water, but I don't always have the time to wait for hot water, so I have to just quickly spritz my hair and get out the door. Most of my moisturizing routine actually comes from my wash day. I wash my hair and then moisturize my hair, and I usually don't have to moisturize my hair until close to it being my wash day again, so about 2 to 4 weeks. And my blow dried hair lasts a really long time because I wear my hair stretched out while it's in its blow dry state. I wear twists and I wear buns. So my hair is stretched out the whole entire time during this blow dried state. The elements is not attacking my hair, so it doesn't get really dry. So I don't really have to moisturize as often. After moisturizing my hair, I went ahead and retwisted all of my 2-strand twists to make sure my hair does not shrink and to make sure that my twists are neat, there's no frizz. After that, I go ahead and I apply more of that hot water around my hair. I just feel like it melts the products into my hair, and I want that. I need that in my life. So I go ahead and do that before proceeding on with styling. And this is how my hair looks directly after that entire process. And this is my failed attempt at a thumbnail, so let's not even dwell on that. I never moisturize my hair while my hair is not in twist. My hair is always in twist whenever I need to moisturize my hair because I am avoiding shrinkage. I want to make my blow dried hair last as long as possible. After that whole entire routine, I go ahead and apply my satin scarf, or I wear my slap cap. It looked like a beanie on the outside, but on the inside, it has that soft satin. I'm just going to use my slap cap tonight because I'm being lazy, and that's just what it is. And then I go ahead and tuck my ends away from the elements, keep it away from any friction, and I'm going to bed, y'all. So that's all I have for you tonight. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.